Imagine a sleek, state-of-the-art drone named the Rheinmetall LUNA NG. This marvel of engineering silently takes to the skies, its carbon fiber body slicing through the air with ease. Designed for prolonged missions, it can stay airborne for over 12 hours, covering vast distances and providing real-time surveillance. With a range of more than 100 kilometers and the ability to monitor an area of over 30,000 square kilometers, LUNA NG is a formidable tool for reconnaissance. It's equipped with a variety of sensors, electro-optical, infrared, acoustic, and spectrum analyzers, allowing it to gather detailed information in any environment, day or night. The drone's launch is a smooth affair, thanks to a rope hoist catapult, and it can land autonomously using precise GPS coordinates or a parachute. Despite its advanced capabilities, LUNA NG remains stealthy, with low acoustic, thermal, and radar signatures that make it nearly invisible to adversaries. On the ground, a compact control station, easily transportable, enables operators to command the drone with minimal training. The automation built into LUNA NG ensures reliable operations, making it an invaluable asset for both military and civilian purposes. Whether it's keeping an eye on conflict zones, conducting environmental monitoring, or aiding in disaster response, the Rheinmetall LUNA NG stands as a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of unmanned aerial systems.